Hi, I'm Lynette and welcome. Today I'm doing an eye look with the Desert Lights palette from Flower Beauty. It contains 6 giant pans of super foiled metallic shadows, one of which is a duochrome. The color story is rosy pink with a deep plum brown shimmer and a gold. Because it's an all shimmer palette, I did pair it with 3 matte shadows from the Pat McGrath Celestial Odyssey palette. Flower Beauty suggests using your fingers to apply the shadows, which they describe as cream shades. I agree that finger application is the fastest, easiest, and most impactful. I did follow up with a brush to layer and had no issues. I was surprised at how subtle the look turned out, and I have to admit I was a little disappointed because when you swatch it, they seem so foiled. I guess it's good to know that you can do a more quote unquote wearable looks with it. I'm guessing that with a wet brush, it might have amped up the shadows a little bit more. I'm not sure. I do have the original palette they came out with, the Jungle Lights palette, and I think these two palettes would pair very well together. Comment below if you have this palette or if it's on your wish list. Everything I use will be listed in the description box below. If you like this video, then please give it a like and consider subscribing because I do eyeshadow tutorials, hauls, swatches, and reviews every Saturday. I want to thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you again next week. Until then, bye-bye.